decades, the world of software development has been divided between two distinct editor philosophies. On one side are full-featured graphical integrated development environments and heavy desktop applications like VS Code, IntelliJ, and JetBrains. They come packed with rich visual interfaces, project navigation, auto-completion, and inline diagnostics right out of the box, but they can be resource-heavy, slow to start, and demanding on system memory. On the other side are modal terminal editors like Vim, Neovim, and Emacs. Developers who master terminal editors achieve unbelievable speed and keyboard efficiency, manipulating code at the speed of thought without ever touching a mouse. However, setting up a modern development workflow in terminal editors traditionally requires an enormous time investment. Users often spend days or weeks configuring plugin managers, writing custom Lua or VimScript configurations, setting up language server protocols, and wiring together third-party tools just to get basic syntax highlighting, fuzzy file finding, and auto-completion working reliably. Helix steps into this landscape as a modern modal text editor written entirely in Rust, built specifically to combine the raw speed and lightness of a terminal application with the batteries-included convenience of a modern graphical IDE. Dubbed by its creators as a postmodern modal editor, Helix challenges long-held assumptions about how text selection and modal editing should function. To understand why Helix is gaining massive traction among systems developers, terminal enthusiasts, and engineers looking for a lighter setup, you first have to examine its core editing philosophy. Most modal editors operate on a Vim-inspired model based on a verb-then-noun grammar. In Vim, if you want to delete a word, you press D for delete, followed by W for word. The action comes first and the target text comes second. This means you are essentially performing edits blind until the command executes. If your target movement was slightly off, you only realize it after the text has already changed or vanished. Helix flips this concept entirely by adopting a selection-first editing model, heavily inspired by Kakun. In Helix, every action operates on a visible selection. You specify the movement or search criteria first, which highlights the exact region of code you are targeting on your screen. Once you see precisely what text is highlighted, you apply the action, such as delete, change, yank, or wrap. This selection-first feedback loop dramatically reduces mental friction and editing errors. You never have to guess whether a text object command will span 3 lines or 4. You see the exact highlight before you touch the code. This selection model naturally powers another signature feature of Helix, native multi-cursor editing. In conventional editors, multiple selections are added on top as an afterthought or through complex plugins. In Helix, multiple cursors are a core fundamental primitive. You can split a single multi-line selection into individual cursors per line, select all occurrences of a string across a block of code, filter cursors matching a specific pattern, and edit dozens of variable declarations simultaneously with instantaneous visual feedback. While its selection model makes typing more intuitive, Helix's biggest leap forward is its zero configuration, batteries-included architecture. Traditionally, installing a bare modal editor leaves you with a simple text buffer that cannot even show error squiggles or jump to function definitions without plugins. Helix flips this experience completely by shipping with treesitter and language server protocol support built directly into its core engine. Rather than relying on fragile regex rules for code parsing, Helix integrates treesitter natively. Treesitter builds an incremental, error-tolerant syntax tree of your source file in real time as you type. This enables extremely precise, scope-aware syntax highlighting that doesn't break when your code contains temporary syntax errors. Furthermore, treesitter allows Helix to perform structural text selection. Instead of selecting text by characters or lines, you can expand your selection structurally to capture the current function, the parent class, the parameter list, or an entire conditional block with simple key presses. Similarly, Helix includes built-in support for the language server protocol. If you have a language server like Rust Analyzer for Rust, Gopples for Go, Pewrite for Python, or TypeScript language server installed on your system path, Helix automatically connects to it the moment you open a project file. Without writing any custom plugins or complex setup scripts, you instantly get full IDE capabilities, real-time diagnostic errors, hover documentation cards, auto-completions, signature help, rename refactoring, and jump-to-definition shortcuts. In addition to language servers, Helix includes a built-in fuzzy finder for files, buffers, and symbols, project-wide grep searching, bracket auto-closing, surround manipulation, split window management, and dozens of prepackaged high-contrast visual themes. Everything runs inside a clean, modern terminal user interface without requiring a single plugin. Because Helix relies on built-in features rather than an ecosystem of disparate third-party extensions, configuring it is straightforward. Customizing key mappings, editing preferences, cursor styles, and themes is done using a simple, human-readable TOML configuration file. You don't need to learn a specialized scripting language like VimScript or maintain complex Lua module trees just to change your tab widths or change color schemes. Underneath the interface, Helix is engineered for performance and efficiency. Written entirely in Rust, it launches in milliseconds, consumes almost no background memory, and remains completely responsive even in large code bases. Because it runs inside standard terminal emulators, it functions seamlessly over SSH connections, inside remote containers, and across Mac OS, Linux, and Windows environments without modification. Helix also focuses heavily on discoverability. Modal editors are notorious for steep learning curves, where users must memorize dozens of secret shortcut combinations. Helix addresses this by implementing an interactive pop-up key guide system. Whenever you hit a prefix key, such as the spacebar to access file commands, or G to access navigation commands, a clean pop-up window appears on screen displaying available options, descriptions, and shortcuts. This makes navigating modes, windows, and language server functions feel approachable, allowing newcomers to learn the editor interactively as they code. By combining selection-first modal editing, native multi-cursor execution, built-in tree-sitter parsing, seamless language server integration, and instant terminal startup times, Helix provides a complete modern development environment. It bridges the gap between lightweight terminal tools and powerful IDE features, delivering a fast, elegant, and frictionless code editing experience out of the box.